The second you walk in, you are a part of the community. It welcomes you in and keeps you in its arms.
As rich as my spiritual life was, what was missing was being part of a community. I went to so many churches trying to find a community that really knew what love meant.
Welcome to Unity Center of Peace.
UCP really means the world to me. When I come here, I feel loved and respected and accepted.
When somebody comes here to Unity Center of Peace for the first time, they find, first of all, a loving welcoming. And during our Sunday service, there is an experience of spirit. People open to an experience of their own divinity, of their spiritual truth. And that happens through a blending of the music and the meditation and the affirmations and the talks. And the talks are really designed to stimulate your thinking, to open that capacity that we all have to understand more, to have a greater experience of who we truly are, our spiritual reality.
It's building that spiritual community that gives you a safe space to build your own spiritual foundations, and that when you can do that for yourself and center yourself in peace and love, then you can further help build the community around you.
The difference in unity is we have perfect love, perfect energy within ourselves, and it's really just a matter of how we release it, how we tap into it, and how we're able to spread it to the other parts of the world.
A lot of people ask, well, what is New Thought? Is unity New Thought? And indeed it is. And a New Thought is a movement that started in the mid-19th century, and they took these profound truths and they became synthesized into this beautiful philosophy.
The unity message is one that's pretty much universal. And as we're seeking the truth, as we're seeking fulfillment, I believe that the unity approach is very, very successful in that.
Going to the services on Sundays, it's just been amazing. They are talking about tolerance, about love. They accept me and others at where you are at this moment.
So Unity Center of Peace is a place where I've been able to continue to grow. I get to practice what we learn every Sunday. The beauty is I also get to take that out into the world, and it has made a difference in my life. It has increased the level of joy, comfort, and abundance.
And I think more than anything, UCP is a place for people to come together and love each other. Just love each other.
We are all contributors and generators of the energy that we share, because it's an opportunity to be with people who are evolving their awareness, and that helps me to evolve mine.
I am mostly impressed and love the programs that they have for the children. We bless them, we say we appreciate you just the way you are. And even as an adult, having that said to the adults, we appreciate you just the way you are, is really magical.
I have never been to a service where we haven't peeled out in laughter at one point or another. So that is very intrinsic to Unity Center of Peace. So I hope I get to laugh with you sometime soon.
It is a place for explorers, for seekers. You can come, think what you want, share it, be open to new ideas, and it can transform you. And so if you want new ideas, and if you want a foundation that will support you in really living that abundant, positive, prosperous life, come to Unity. You will get the tools and the inspiration that you need to make that happen for your life.